Today we will provide a step-by-step tutorial on how to cook this as a family, and at the end we will provide a full recipe screenshot. Smoked burgers. So we want a nice, thick, juicy burger for this. So what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be measuring 5-ounce patties. This is important because we want to be able to have thick, juicy patties. We're using 85/15 meat, and we're going to weigh it out into a 5-ounce portion, and then we're going to press them with the burger press. So to do this simply, we're going to take a section of meat here, put it on the scale, 4.9. I'm going to add just a little bit more. Once we're close enough, 5.2, I'm going to split the difference and not worry about it too much. Look at that, perfect. And then just form a light ball at this point. And we're just going to put this aside. So we're going to make a half dozen of those. So go ahead. Now that we have our 5-ounce patties measured out, in order to help them cook evenly while we're smoking them, we're going to use a burger press and press them evenly. So we're going to open this up, put a paper down. So go ahead and put the burger there. I'm going to place on top, then pull that down and press. Great. And then this provides you with a beautiful, even patty. Wonderful. So now that we have these patties pressed evenly, we're going to salt and pepper each side. So we're using seasoned salt and black pepper. What do we do next?
Put them on the smoker!
So we've smoked our burgers up to temperature, 135, 140 degrees, which is going to be a perfect medium rare to medium. We're going to add a pickled element because these are 5-ounce juicy burgers. That's going to add a nice bite, cut through the fat that's taking place there. And we're going to add the pickled element, add the complementary cheese, put them back on the smoker to melt, and it's going to be a delicious burger. Because you're smoking them all together, they're going to cook evenly, and you can compile the burgers based upon the preference that people have, and they will all be done and ready at the same time. So we're going to make a couple different kinds of burgers here. So we're going to make a couple pickle burgers up top.
So add a couple pickles here.
We're going to do a couple jalapeno burgers over here. And we're going to have some roasted red pepper on this burger over here. And we will then add the corresponding cheese. And by having a different cheese for each type of burger, you're going to be pretty easily able to identify which burger type each one is by the cheese and the toppings that are showing through once we melt them. Okay, so we got our smoked burgers going. Let's go ahead and give this a go. So I'm going to take one of these jalapeno ones here. You see, look at that. Nice and juicy in there. So that is absolutely delicious. Again, roasted red pepper with provolone. Perfectly cooked burger. Look how juicy that is. The provolone and the roasted red pepper. Beautiful flavor there as well. And the pickle, the American cheese. Beautiful, juicy burger with pickle. Great crisp from the pickle there. With all of these, you're not worried about getting a sear. You're worried about a beautiful, juicy burger, having a bite of acidity from the pickled element. And this is a great burger to have ready for any cookout because you smoke it, you get it ready, and then you're good to go and you don't have to worry about timing. So get out there, enjoy, and fire it up. Because remember, who's the cue?
Daddy Q! Boo boopy doo, it's Daddy Q. The family-friendly cooking show.
Thanks for watching. Comment down below if there is something you would like us to teach you to make, or if you have a delicious dish that you would like to potentially have featured on DadBQ. We are building a family-friendly cooking community that we want you to join. First step to joining that community, like, comment, and subscribe. And visit us at dadbq.com.